Hey guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do my lip roulette. I think this is number 6? Question mark? I don't know. It is so cold in my room right now because I have my shades open and our windows absolutely suck and there's a huge draft, so I'm going to make this as quick as possible. So I'm sorry if I rush a little bit through this. So the shades I used last week, I'm going to insert lip swatch clips that I'm going to film at the end. So the first one that I used was this Urban Decay. This is a Vice liquid lipstick in Amulet. This is just like a mini. I love these. I know a lot of people hate them, but I really like these. I think they last a good amount of time. I think they're pretty. This one is, like, these are kind of drying, but they stay a long time, so I don't mind. So I'm keeping that. Moving on, this is ColourPop Lipstick in Aquarius, which I think was a Kathleen Lights collab. Honestly, I can't keep track of them anymore. But it's a pretty, like, 90s nude brown. I love this shade. This one might have to go into a panning pile because it kind of smells like it's going bad, but not, like, I don't know. Really similar in color is this e.l.f. Blushing Brown. This is a Velvet Matte. I love this shade. This is a true 90s brown, and it is one of my favorites, honestly. A fave. And then the last one, which is one that I was unsure about, is the NYX Butter Lipstick in Moonlit Night, and it's like a really pretty vampy berry color. So the butter lipsticks are more sheer, and like I would put it on and then I kind of like blot my lips off and then it looked really nice. But if I left it without blotting my lips, it was really easily smudgy and that kind of thing. So I think I might pan this eventually. Like, I'm going to put this in my 2-pan pile and kind of go from there. I didn't talk about what this was. Wow, cool. So this is a roulette style project where I'm going through all of my lip products. And this is inspired by Sophie Alexander here on YouTube, and I believe LS has also done it, so both of them will be linked down below in the description box if you want to check them out. And I'm going through my whole collection of lip products minus like lip balms, because whatever, and seeing what I want to keep, what I want to pan, what I want to declutter, because I have a lot of lip products. It's like my problem area. And I'm using them for 2 weeks and then switching them. So now I'm going to grab my big, huge tote of lip products and we're going to pull for the next 2 weeks. So let's get that. Okay, so this is the big thingy. I'm going to pull something. I think this one. Oh, okay. So this is the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in 1993. This is such a similar color to Blushing Brown. It's that right there. Actually, low-key, I'm going to swatch them side by side. Because I think my camera died. So, I was talking about the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in 1993. This is a Comfort Matte. It is the darker one right here. And then I swatched the e.l.f. one next to it, which is the more like reddish brown. So, they're not quite dupes, but they're really similar. But I'm excited to have this pulled in, so I'm going to stick that in my little lipstick drawer. And now we're going to pull another one. Okay. Ooh, yay. Okay, so this, I actually haven't worn this at all, like ever. I've only swatched it, so like, this is a Lime Crime Velveteen in Cindy. And honestly, it's kind of a similar color to that Vice lipstick. A little bit warmer. But I heard these go bad quickly, so I am excited to have that in rotation to see how I feel about it. Okay. Oh, next one is this Too Faced, what are these, La Creme lipsticks in Lollipop. I had this in a panning project last year, and it's a really pretty pink with glitter. And I honestly use this as a lip balm for the most part. I didn't wear this a lot out, but I liked it enough to keep it, but I might end up decluttering it this round. I haven't quite decided. We'll see. Ooh, okay. This is another ColourPop lippy stick. This is from the Hello Kitty collection. Look how cute the top is. This is in Konnichiwa, and it is a cream. It's like a really pretty pink. Ooh, this is so dry. Oh my god, that was so hard. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm gonna see, like, right now we're gonna... Oh, hell no. Okay, so I'm gonna take, like, 2 pictures of this for my Instagram, and then I'm gonna get rid of it, because it is too dry to even swatch. Like, that, no. Okay, picking a different one. This is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Mother. It's a pink color. This is pretty. This is one I use relatively often. Like, I use it enough to keep it, which is why I've kept it so long. But, okay, so those are my 4. So I have 2 liquid lipsticks and 2 cream lipsticks. And hopefully I'll get use out of all of them, and we'll just kind of go from there. So I'm going to I inserted lip swatches like I said, but if you guys have any comments or colors that you're loving, or like a way to revive that lippy stick from ColourPop, which I don't think is a thing, let me know down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.